Welcome to my class, dear students of class 9, 10 and examining of this year, that means 2021. I think you are keeping well. I am also fine. Dear students, after many days, I am going to take my class. Today, I shall discuss on an important thing, especially negative to affirmative. That means transformation of sentence. This year, who are going to give examination or participate in the examination, your syllabus has been reduced. Dear students, simple, complex and compound has been reduced, so you have to answer especially only on sentences. I think negative, interrogative, imperative, affirmative, degree, voice, such a syllabus you have to follow. So, especially affirmative to negative to affirmative, this syllabus I think has not been discussed especially. Today I shall discuss on this syllabus. Dear student, please take some papers and pen. Whenever I shall write something, you will note down your script. Here is affirmative to negative. Please write not many, if there are not many, you have to write a few. This is negative sign, not many, and affirmative sign is a few. Dear students, I am going to give an example. I have not many books. This is a negative sentence. I have not many books. Now you have to turn it into affirmative. So here is not many. If you see here not many, you have to take decision. The replace of not many, you have to use only a few. So now affirmative. I have a few books. Very easy. I have not many books. Now I have a few books. That means you have to know not many. If there are not many in a question and you have to change it into affirmative, then you have to take decision and it will be I have a few books. I think you have understood well. Now another one, dear student, please write not mass. Here is not mass. If they are not mass, you have to say here the replacement of not mass, a little. Not mass, the replacement of not mass, you have to use a little. Now, sentence, there is not mass water in the jar. I again say, there is not mass water in the jar. Now change it into affirmative. Here is not mass. You have already known, if there is not mass, it will be turned into a little. The replacement of not mass will be a little. Now I have to answer here. There is a little water in the jar. So this is, there is not mass water in the jar. This is a negative sentence. I have changed it into affirmative. There is a little water in the jar. That means if there not mass, the replacement of not mass, we have to use a little. Then it will be changed into affirmative. So this is number 1 and this is number 2. Dear students, please write. Here is number 3. Not a many. Here is a few. Dear students, please write not a many. If there is not a many, you have to write the replacement of not a many, a few. Not a few. Here is not a few. Here is many. Many. I again say, if they are not a few, the replacement of not of a few, you have to write a many. Please write. Now, example. He has not a few friends. Please write, he has not a few friends. This is a negative sentence. Now here is a sign. Not a few. Not a few. You have already known, if they are not a few, what will be then? So not a few, that means the replace of not a few, you have to use a many. Now answer. He has a many friends. He has not a few friends. Now answer, that means affirmative. He has a many friends. This is number 3. Dear students, I hope you have written properly. Please note down. Here is three rules. 1, 2, 3. Not many, a few. Not much, a little. And not a few, a many. Now another rule. Not a little. Here is mass. Number 4. Not a little. The replace of not a little, you have to use mass. Now, dear students, please write number 4, rule number 4. I have written an example here. He has not a little money. He has not a little money. Here is a sign, not a little. You have already known, if there is not a little, the replace of not a little will be mass. Simple mass. So, let us turn it into affirmative. He has mass money. He has mass money. So the sentence has been changed or turned into affirmative. Here the negative sentence was he has not a little money, and this answer, that means affirmative sentence, is he has much money. So today I have taught you about my 4 roles of affirmative to negative. These are very important, I think. Please learn this properly. The first one was not only, a few. And second one was not much, a little. Third, not a few, a many. And fourth, not a little, much. I have discussed the 4 rules. I think all the students have learned this lesson properly. Dear students, no more now. I shall discuss more in my next classes. Till then, Allah Hafiz.